I would like to welcome all of you guys in the lesson number 16 for grade 2 mathematics. Guys, we finished the testing zone, which was on page number 25 and 26. We finished all these exercises, question number 6, question number 7. I hope you must have completed this. And now come to the page number 27, please. We will also complete the page number 27, the fun zone of it. Okay, so please open your book page number 27. Open your book page number 27.
Page number 7.
Yes, 27.
Page number 107.
27. Guys, do you have any problem in page number 26 and page number 25 questions of testing zone?
No,
Okay, that's very good. Let's start page number 27, fun zone. Hannah is on an adventure trail. Okay, help her reach her final checkpoint by counting on in fours. So what you have to do, guys, Hannah is on an adventure trail, and this is the actually map of that. You have to help her to reach at final checkpoint, and how you will help her to count on in fours and to select the road, how she will go. So where is Hannah? You can find Hannah here. She is Hannah, and she's going from here. Okay, so she has plenty of options. She can either go here, here, or here. Okay, then from here she can go here, here, or here. But where she will go, there you have to decide it. And how you will decide it? You will decide it by counting on in fours. You will decide it by counting on in fours. So every time you count on in fours, you will find where she will go. So this is starting from 284. Okay, so you can use your fingers. You can open 4 fingers and you can count on in fours. 285, 286, 287, and 288 like this. And you can draw 4 lines and you can start counting after 284. So it is 285, 286, 287, and 288. So this is 288. Then after 288, where she will go? For that, again, you can count in fours. 289, 290, 291, and then 292. So this is 292. But you will not do in the following way. How you will do it? You can use any of the color with whatever you want. You will color this 284. Do a proper coloring in 284. Okay. And when you add 284, when you add 4 and 284, what it comes? It becomes 288. So this is 288. This is 288. Then after 288, when you add 4, what it will become? Yes, guys, 288 plus 4 is equals to
300.
no.
300.
After 288, count on in fours. 288 plus 4. Count 4. Count on in fours. 288 and then 4. Add 4. Yes, 288 plus 4 is equals to?
No. 292. 292.
Some students are answering, some are not answering. Guys, 288 plus 4 is equals to 292. Look, this is 4 lines. After 288, I will count 289, 290, 291, and 292. So this is 292. So she will come here. As you have to complete it with me. Okay. So take out your colors and complete it with me. 292. Is it clear, guys? 292.
Yes, sir.
Are you completing it with me?
Yes, sir.
Good. Guys, are you completing it with me? Very good. After 292, again you will add 4. So 292 plus 4. Count on in fours after 292. What will come?
296.
Very good. Very good. 296. So you can again check by counting on in fours. 295, 296, 297, 290. Sorry. 292 after 293, 294, 295, and 296. So this is 296. This is 296. So color 296, guys. $296. And this is 292. So after 296, where Hana will go now? To which number she will go now?
100.
Very good. 300. Where is 300? This is 300. So color the 300. She'll go there on 300. And she will use that road. All right. After 300, where she will go, guys? After 300, where she will go?
300.
Very good. 304. So 304, again you will count after 300, count on in fours. 301, 302, 303, and 304. So where is 304? This is 304. So you will color 304. Okay, and this is the way from where she is going. 304. All right, guys. After 304, on which number she will go now? Yes. After 304, on which number she will go now?
308.
Very good. 308. Let's check whether your answer is correct or not. 304, then 305, 306, 307, and 308. That's very good. The answer is correct. So this is 308. She'll go there now. After 300, yes guys, after 300, she will go to 294 or 312. Where she will go? On 294 or 312?
212.
Very good.
212.
Very good. She will go on 312. How do you know? Because she count on in fours. After 308, when you count on in fours, it will be 312. 39, 310, 311, and 312. So 312 is the final checkpoint for Hana. 312 is the final checkpoint for Hana. This is the answer, guys. 312. And she will use that road. So this is how Hana will reach to the final checkpoint from 284. She started reaching from 284, then 288, then she went 292, then 296, then 300, then 304, then 308, then 312. And you completed it by counting on in fours. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. All right, guys. So we are going to start now a new unit. Unit number 2, addition and subtraction. So did you complete page number 27?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. So let's come to the page number 29, guys. We are going to start a new unit, that is addition and subtraction. Here we are going to learn addition and subtraction. So the first part is to learn addition. So in the addition, we will learn addition of 2-digit and 3-digit, addition without regrouping and with regrouping too. So start learning addition, guys. Open page number 29. Did you open page number 29, guys?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Let's start, guys. I'm going to read the example. Shakal has 32 cubes. Bubble gives him 24 more cubes. How many cubes does Shakal have now? So, guys, how many cubes does the Shakal have? Shakal is having 32 cubes. And Bubble gives him 24 more cubes. How many cubes does Shakal have now? This is the addition question, guys. I give you the easy example for that. Let's suppose your father gave you 2 chocolate and then your uncle gave you 3 more chocolate. How many total chocolate you have? So you will say, sir, I have 5 chocolates because my father gave me 2 and I got 3 more from my uncle. So I got 5 in total. Okay. So same here, guys. Shakal was having 32 cubes, but Bubble gave him 24 more chocolate. This more means addition. So how many cubes does Shakal have now? For that you need to add. So guys, when you are adding, you have to remember in 32 there are 3 tens and there are 2 ones. So whenever you are adding, so you will write the tens and then ones, like here. So this is 32. So in 32 there are 3 tens and 2 ones. And then 24. In 24 there are 2 tens and 4 ones. So you will write 2 tens and 4 ones. And you are actually doing addition. So guys, whenever you are adding, you will always add the ones first. So you will add the ones first. Okay. How you are going to add the ones? You can use any method, guys. Okay. Like you can draw the lines. I will tell you the first drawing. I will tell you first how to add by using drawing method, drawing lines. So you have to add the ones first. So there are 2 ones and 4 ones. So 2 ones plus 4 ones is equals to what? For that you will draw 2 lines first and then you will draw 4 lines. 1, 2 and then 1, 2, 3, 4. In order to find out 2 plus 4 is equals to what? You will count the total number of lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 2 plus 4 is equals to 6. 2 ones plus 4 ones is equals to 6 ones. Up to here, everything is clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now you will add the tens. You will add the tens. So there are 3 tens and 2 tens. So you have to add 3 tens plus 2 tens is equals to what? So for adding tens, you will draw 3 tens first. That's means you will draw 3 lines. Then you will draw 2 lines. And in order to find out 3 plus 2 is equals to what, you will check the total number of lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. So 32 plus 24 is equals to 56. 3 tens and 2 ones plus 2 tens and 4 ones is equal to 5 10 and 6 1. So you can say Checkle has 56 cubes now. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Very good. Very good, guys. So again, I repeat, guys. Checkle has 32 cubes. Bubble gave him 24 more cubes. How many cubes does Checkle have now? For that, you need to do addition. So you do addition. In 32, there were 3 tens, 2 ones. You write 3 tens on 2 ones. In 24, there were 2 tens and 4 ones. You place in the tens and the ones as well. Then you add 2 and 4 by drawing 2 lines and 4 lines. You counted the total number of lines. 4 and 2 were 6 lines. There were total 6 lines, so you write 6. 2 ones plus 4 ones will give you 6 1. Then you add 3 and 2. For that, you draw 3 lines and draw 2 lines, and then 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. You can do also one thing, guys. You can open your fingers and you can count by using your fingers as well. Let's suppose you open 2 fingers. Okay. Take any of the number, either 3 or 2. Let's suppose you take 2. So open 2 fingers and count after 3. 4 and 5. Okay. Or if you are opening 3 fingers, so count after 2. 3, 4, and 5. In any way, you will find out the answer. Okay. So it's up to you. You can use any method. Now I'm going to give you, I'm going to change the numbers and you are going to answer me. Let's suppose it is not 32. Let's suppose it is 23. It is 23. Chuckle has 23 cubes. Bubble gave him 24 more cubes. How many cubes does Chuckle have now? Yes, guys, tell me the answer. Chuckle has 23 cubes and Bubble gave him 24 cubes. How many total cubes are there? Now you have to answer in the chat box, guys. Walaikum Salam, Abdul Muhit. So add 23 and 24. Answer me in the chat box, guys. Abdul Muhit, check your answer again. Look, in 23, there are 2 tens and 3 ones. And in 24, there are 2 tens and 4 ones. So 23 plus 24 is equals to what? Muhammad Ali, very good. Taimullah Hassan, very good. Umar Mohsin, very good. Suleiman Tariq, wrong. Rayan, wrong. I am asking what the question I am asking, you have to answer for that. Ahmad, very good. This is not 32. Let's suppose this is 23. Then what will be the answer? Muhammad, very good. Umar Nizar, very good. Suleiman, no. Shami Jazi, no. Very good, Rayan Umar. So 23 plus 24, guys. So I will add 3 and 4. So 3 plus 4 is equals to what, guys? 3 plus 4 is equals to what?
47.
Okay, 47. But I will add one by one. I'm going to add the ones first. 3 and 4. So I will draw 3 lines, 1, 2, and 3. And then I will draw 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now I will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So 4 plus 3 is equals to 7. So I will write 7 here. 3 ones plus 4 ones is equals to 7 ones. Now I will add the tens. 2 tens plus 2 tens is equals to how many tens? For that, what I will do, guys, I will draw 2 lines and then again 2 lines and then count 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. So 23 plus 24 is equals to 47. This is the answer. Dashmi Chakal has 47 cubes. Is it clear, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
That's very good. Let's take one more exam. Let's read it further, guys. The next heading is adding multiples of 10. And here example is Bubble sold 25 greeting cards on Monday. He sold another 30 greeting cards on Tuesday. How many greeting cards did Bubble sales all together? Again, I repeat, guys. How you have what is the example? Bubble sold 25 greeting cards on Monday, and he sold another 13 greeting cards on Tuesday. How many cards did Bubble sell altogether? Altogether means how many cards did he sell on Monday and Tuesday in total? That you have to find out. So you will add 25 and 30. In that way, you will find out the answer. When you add 25 and 30, you will find out how many did she sell in total. Altogether, how many did she sell? So guys, because you are adding a value which is tens, there is no ones. Look, this 30 means 3 tens. So you can count on in tens and you can easily find out the answer. Whenever you have 0 on the ones place and you are count, so you can use the counting in tens as well. Okay, so 25 plus 30. So you know whenever you, when you count on in tens, so only the tens number will change. So look, this is 25. You count on in tens, it will 35, 45, and now 55. So, or you can add 1 into, it is 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, and 4 plus 1, 5, and the ones will be same. So you can use counting in tens also in order to find out the answer. What is 25 plus 30? Okay, or you can use the same method also. You can write 25. In 25 there are 2 tens, 5 ones, and in 30 there are 3 tens, 0 ones. 5 plus 0 equals to 5. You want to check? Draw 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and draw 0 line. 0 line means no need to draw any line. How many total line are there? Obviously 5. So 5 1 plus 0 1 equals to 5 ones. Now you will add the tens. 2 tens plus 3 tens. So 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3. Now add 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So it is 2 10 plus 3 tens is equals to 5 tens. So 25 plus 30 is equals to 55. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's very good. So guys, in the adding multiples of 10, you can use counting in tens to add any multiple of 10. Like this is 30. Instead of 30, if I say you add 25 plus, let's suppose 40. So I can add 10 4 times because it is 40. I can add 4 times in 25 in order to find out the answer. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. It will be 65. If I say 25 plus 50, so 50 means I can add 5 times 10. This is also multiple of 5. So 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, and 5 times. So it will be equal to 75. Okay. So this is how you can do it by counting on in tens. If you are adding multiples of 10, so you can count on in tens in order to find out the answer. Or if you want to do the simple addition, you can do the simple addition as well. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Now I'm going to give you one example and you have to answer it. Let's suppose instead of 25, it is 15. Okay. So Bubble sold 15 greeting cards on Monday and he sold another 30 greeting cards on Tuesday. So what will be the answer? So it should be 15 plus 30. So guys, you have to tell me how many greeting cards did she sell altogether? 15 plus 30 is equals to what? Answer me in the chat box, guys. 15 plus 30 is equals to what? Let me check your answer. Yusuf, ma'am, very good. Muhammad Majdi, no. Suleiman Tariq, very good. Rayan Umar, very good. Muhammad Talha, very good. Taimullah, very good. Umar Amin, very good. Muhammad Mashti, very good. Muhammad Ali, very good. Umar Nizar, very good. Musab Al Sayyed, very good. Saleh Al Malohi, very good. Mahmoud, very good. Umar Mohsin, very good. Sulaiman Al Ugili, very good. Abdul Moid, very good. Muhammad Kashan, very good. So what is the answer, guys?
45. 45.
Very good. It is 45. How do you know, guys? Because when you add 15 and 30, this is 15 plus 30. So that's mean you are adding 3 tens. So check where is 15. This is 15. From 15, count on tens 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. So this is 45. Or you can do addition here also, guys. You can check. The numbers are 15 and 30. You have to add 15 and 30. So write 15 and then 30. Now add 5 plus 0. As I told you, 5 plus 0 will always give you 5 because 0 means nothing. Now add 3 and 1. 1, 2, 3 lines and then 1 line. Count how many lines are there. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. So 15 plus 30 is equals to 45. Is it clear, guys?
I know, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. All right, guys. Now I'm going to give you example and you will help me to answer it. Okay. Now I'm going to give you simple addition without wordings. Okay. You just have to add and you have to answer it. Okay. Add 53 plus 25. Sorry. 53 plus 25. Yes, guys, add it and tell me the answer. 53 plus 25. 53 plus 25. What will be the answer for that? 53 plus 25, guys. Add 3 and 5, then add 5 and 2. Rayan Umar, very good. Muhammad Talha, very good. Rayan Umar, check your answer. First, you will add 5 and 3. Add 5 and 3 right here, and 5 and 2 right here in the tens place. Muhammad Ali, very good. Muhammad, very good. Abdul Muid, no. Suleiman Ulgeri, no. Manizar, no. Abdul Muid, very good. Muhammad Kashan, very good. Mahmoud, very good. Muhammad Momin, no. Suleiman Tariq, very good. Musab Al Sayyed, very good. Ahmad, very good. Soleh, no. Guys, you have to add 3 and 5 first. 3 plus 5 will give you what? Yes, 3 plus 5 will give you what?
58.
Some students are writing answer 7 here. Why 7? 3 plus 5 is not 7. Okay? You can draw lines 1, 2, and 3. Then 5, draw 5 lines 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then count the total number of lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So 3 plus 5 is equals to what? Yes? 8, not 7. Okay? 8. It is 8, not 7. It is 8. 3 plus 5 is equals to 8. Then you will add 5 and 2 and write the answer. Very good, Yusuf. Taimullah, very good. Muhammad Momin, very good. Now add 5 and 2 and tell me the answer. Those students who are telling me the wrong answer, please tell me again. No, Umar Mohsin. 5 plus 2 is not 8. Five plus 2. Add 5 plus 2. Yes, guys, 5 plus 2 is equals to what?
7.
Very good. 5 plus 2 is equals to 7. You can draw 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can again draw 2 lines. 1, 2. And then you can add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So 5 plus 2 is equals to 7. So the answer will be 78. When you add ones, 3 ones plus 5 ones is equals to 8 ones. And when you add tens, 5 tens plus 2 tens is equals to 7 tens. So the answer is 78. Is it clear, guys?
Yes,
Very good. Guys, you can use your fingers also in order to find out the answer. I tell you how. Let's suppose I change the question here. Instead of 25, if I write here 34. So look, I have to add the ones 3 plus 4. Okay. So you can use your fingers also. Take any one number from 3 or 4. Okay. You have to add 3 or 4. Take any of the number. Let's suppose I take 3 number. Okay. So I will open 3 fingers. I take 3 numbers, so I will open 3 fingers. And then I will count after 4. After 4, I will count. So this is 5, 6, and 7. So it is equals to 7. So 4 plus 3 is equals to 7. Or If you take number 4, so draw 4 fingers. Sorry, open 4 fingers. Open 4 fingers of your hand and count after 3. The second number is 3. Count after 3. 5, 6. Sorry, I should count after 3. So count after 3. That is 4, 5, 6, and 7. In both way, you will find out the same answer. 3 plus 4 equals to 7. Okay. Same here, guys. For 5 and 3, take any number. Let's suppose you take 5. So draw 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now count after 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So 5 plus 3 is equals to 8. Or if you take 3 number, so draw 3, open your 3 fingers, 1, 2, 3, and count after 5. 6, 7, and 8. In both way, you will find out the answer. So it's up to you guys, what method you are using. If you want to use your finger in order to add, it's very good. If you want to draw the lines, so you can do this by drawing the lines and counting the total number of lines as well. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Very good. I can show you by drawing lines also. 3 plus 4, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Count the total number of lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 plus 4 equals to 7. Now 5 plus 3. So 1, 2, 3, plus 4, and 5, and then 1, 2, 3. Count the total number of lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So 5 plus 3 is equals to 8. So guys, you have to practice for this addition. Inshallah, we will continue tomorrow this addition and we will practice. Inshallah, one by one. Okay. And I'll make you practice for addition without review. So all things are clear, guys.
Bye bye, sir.
Very good, very good, very good.